Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace an upper door hinge support on this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 mounting screws, securing the hinge cover. Set the cover aside. If still intact, release the appropriate hinge support to detach it from the bracket. To install the new upper door hinge support, align it in the bracket and push down. Reposition the cover and rethread the 3 mounting screws. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.